What you do is you take the plate and you slowly lick it off.
You're joking. I have a beard.
Don't let anything stop you. Hey everyone, it's me, Jasmine, and today we have a very special guest.
I'm Lirim from Tasty UK.
It's an awesome channel. Y'all should go check it out. Today, we are swapping our favorite snacks.
I'm excited.
Good, you should be. I have very good taste, Lirim. Ready for the first snack?
I am indeed.
You better like these.
What is it? Nerds?
Nerds rope!
Ner-
They're gummy clusters.
Okay.
Usually it's a Nerds rope. It's like very long. They didn't
Right.
have them in the store today because they're just that popular.
So it's a sweet.
Oh yeah, this is candy.
Okay, we call them sweets. We're not candy.
Oh.
But yeah, I've never heard of Nerds.
These are the perfect snacks for like when you go to the movies. I usually only eat it if it's an action movie, if it's too loud to eat.
I thought you meant for like the sugar gets you like hyped up for the action movie.
Always, always!
So I have got England's finest cherry Bakewell tart. But what I love with these, you know they're like fake cherries?
Maraschino cherries?
That's my favorite bit. The packaging's been a bit messed up from my flight. This is a tea time classic. It's as British as you get.
I need you to try mine first.
I'm ready to nerd out. Oh, they're a lot smaller than I imagined.
He loves it.
Yeah. So what are the nerds? Are the nerds the little things?
Yeah.
I prefer the chewy center. I'm not a fan of the nerds.
Oh.
Would I want to watch an action movie with these? Yes. I see it, because you kind of like chew and you're like, watching it. Yeah, that was a weird face I just pulled there. You're gonna go for the Bakewell tarts. Okay.
I must. The tea time classic, you say.
Totally.
Cheers. Mmm.
Right?
It's really good. I personally love a maraschino cherry. I would totally have this with tea. This is a perfect
Tea time
pair.
snack. I think I would keep my own snack. I would not swap.
Well, then neither would I. Can I just have both? Ooh, what is this?
This, my friend, is a curly whirly. A curly whirly. It needs no introduction. It is just a beautiful piece of chocolate. This you could do at the movies with some popcorn, maybe a bit of curly whirly in the popcorn. And you've brought me popcorn.
Have kettle corn.
A kettle corn. I'm a big fan of sweet and salty. So
Yay!
you might have this one.
Do you have Trader Joe's?
No. What's it? That's like a farmer's market type thing, right? Should we swap?
Yes.
All right.
I'm ready for my curly whirly.
Curly whirly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Please enjoy one with me.
Okay, let's do it. Look how curly and whirly it is. Look at that. That's a curly whirly.
What?
And that's how you eat a curly whirly.
Is that really how you eat
No, no.
Oh. Mmm. This is a flattened Rolo. It's really good.
Kettle corn, aka popcorn. I think you guys have just called popcorn kettle corn.
No.
That's popcorn.
Sugar on popcorn is kettle corn.
That's pretty good. You've just renamed popcorn.
Not all popcorn has sugar on it, but the popcorn with sugar on it is called kettle corn.
There's just flavors to popcorn.
Final thoughts. This is 100% kettle corn, and I will be keeping my snack.
Oh, give me my curly whirlies back then.
Next snack. Ready?
I'm worried.
3, 2, 1.
What is that? Is that a boiled egg? Sorry, I'm just in shock that you've brought me a boiled egg with soy sauce. I've brought you a Terry's chocolate orange, which is a chocolate orange. It's self-explanatory.
Who's Terry?
You'd have it with some kettle corn. Yeah, that's right, see? I'm learning the ways. You gotta unwrap it, and then give it a little whack on the head, and then the slices should fall out.
I have brought this snack. It is a childhood snack that I had growing up. I can understand your reaction because I would bring it to school and the kids would also say, what the heck is that? Here's your egg.
Thank you.
Do you like soy sauce?
I mean, you've bought it, so I might as well. Okay.
I pour it over. I'll do
Sure.
the same thing with mine.
Oh, so you're gonna join me? We're
Oh,
gonna...
I wouldn't miss out on this.
I'm pretty certain I know how this is gonna taste.
Wait, there's a process. You're gonna cut it in half. You're gonna separate the yolk from the whites. So now we're gonna eat the whites.
Oh, it's exactly what I imagined it to be.
So good, right?
I'm not sure about the process of it, though. That's confusing me.
Trust the process.
Trust the process.
Push it to the center of the soy sauce, and you're just gonna smash. You want it to be pasty, and make sure to soak up all the soy sauce. I can't believe I'm doing this on video. One time my mom walked into me doing this. It's embarrassing. What you do is you take the plate and you slowly lick it off.
You're joking.
No.
I have a beard.
Don't let anything stop you.
It's not terrible. It's good. I don't understand that method of eating it. When in Rome. Now for dessert.
So unfoil it. Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, see, you didn't even need to whack it.
No bonk
No
necessary.
bonk. Give it a little bonk anyway, though. Give it some. There you go.
Wow, it's so pretty. Shall we?
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm, this is so good.
Would I switch snacks? Well, it's hard to say because that was savory and this is sweet. No. Sorry, to be brutally honest.
I'd be down to swap, but mine's really good, okay? Next snack.
Next.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
flaming hot I'm seeing.
I know, you said you weren't good with spice earlier, so good luck. These are Funyuns. They are onion rings and coated in flamin' hot dust.
I've heard of Funyuns. I'd like to try it. Do they taste of onion?
Oh, very. These are my go-to snack, period.
A battle of the crisps. These are hula hoops, and there's a really fun way of eating these as well. They're barbecue flavored as well.
You're gonna make me put them on my fingers, huh?
Yeah.
I know it! Trade these.
All right, ladies first.
Okay, they're so cute.
They're cute, right? Now you can get different flavors, but these are my favorite.
Cheers.
And then just, yeah.
I like them, they're really
good?
good. Yeah, they taste like beef.
Yeah, it's beef barbecue, I think.
Oh,
Boom. Right, shall I try your Funyuns now? That's a potent smell. Oh, it's spicy. It's
too
good.
spicy?
No. Oh, wait. It's kicking in a bit. I'd rather a hula hoop, personally.
I'd rather a Funyun.
Well, let's swap back then. Give me
Okay.
the hula hoops. I think mine are more fun than yours.
Wow. Let's see what the last one is. Final snack.
Let's do it.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
I like Ritz.
Oh, yeah, I'm
Good.
happy.
I'm happy with this. So these are penguins. It's a chocolate biscuit that I used to have in my packed lunch when I was a young boy.
Aww.
And the best part of this is it's got a little joke written inside, kind of like a Christmas cracker. You pop it open.
I have Ritz toasted chips in the sour cream and onion flavor. This is so underrated.
That sounds really good, actually.
This is one of my favorite snacks to bring when I go to the amusement parks. So I'd like you to channel that energy.
Oh, you've got a gift for me.
You can wear these and eat it.
Amazing. All right, let's swap. All right, you go first and read us that joke.
Who is a penguin's favorite family member?
I don't know.
Antarctica. Would you like to enjoy one with me? Cheers.
Cheers.
It's really good. It's exactly what I thought it would be. It tastes like 2 milk chocolate biscuits with a thicker milk chocolate cream in between. You ready to try this Ritz
Yes.
toasted chip?
I am.
Cheers.
Yeah, quite like oniony. I see what you mean about the amusement park.
Right?
Because I see myself here.
I think we need to Photoshop you into the parks.
I think I would swap these, you know? I like them. You like very oniony things.
I can't let go of the Ritz. I can't, but I would love to eat these.
So you would swap one.
You would swap. I would swap, and you would swap.
Yes!
We're swapping.
That was a lot of fun, Lirim.
A lot of fun. Thanks for having me.
You brought a lot of really delicious snacks, I will say.
Likewise.
So I think next time we should just bring all the snacks together. We don't need to choose which one's better. We just eat everything.
I agree.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this snack swap, head to Tasty UK's YouTube channel where Amy and Merle are also swapping snacks. Bye, guys.
See ya.